Introducing the 2023 Skoda Enyaq IV RS5 Door Auto in sleek grey. This electric hatchback is not only stylish, but packed with features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for safety. With luxury trim and privacy glass, the interior is as luxurious as it is secure. Plus, with energy recuperation and self-driving capabilities, this vehicle is truly ahead of its time. Rest assured, this Skoda has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritskoda.ie or call us today to experience the future of driving.